Student, I hope you are alright. Now we'll discuss exercise 5.3. First and second question already discussed by me. Now we discussed question number third, part first. We have given a equal to 5, b equal to 3, an equal to 50 and find n and sn. Now part first is we have given a equal to 50, d equal to 3, an equal to 50, a equal to 5 and an equal to 50. Now put all these value in formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have an equal to 50 and a equal to 5 and as it is and d equal to 3. After solving subtracting 50 minus 5 we get 45. 45 divisible by 3 divided by 3 we get 15 and now n equal to 16. We get n equal to 16 and putting this value in the formula Sn n by 2 into 2a plus an. Put n 16 by 2, a 5 and an 50, and after solving this we get Sn equal to 440. Now second part is given a equal to 7, a 13 equal to 35, and we know an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a 13 equal to a plus 12d, a 35 equal to a 7 plus 12d, and now d equal to 7 by 3. After solving we get d equal to 7 by 3. Put all these value in Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Now as 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35. After solving this we get 13 multiplied 21, we get 273. Sn equal 13 equal to 273. The question number third is part number third, a 12 equal to 37, d equal to 3. Now put a 12 a plus n minus 1 into d, we get a 12 equal to a plus 11d, 12 minus 1 11d, 37 equal to a plus 33d, a equal to 4. Now put all these value in Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Put 12 by 2, 4 plus 37. After solving we get Sn equal to 246. Part fourth equal to given a3 equal to 15 and s10 equal to 125. Put an a plus a3 equal to a plus 2d. A plus 2d means 15 equal to a plus d equation first. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put s10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d, and after solving 25 equal to 2a plus 9d, equation number second. Now multiplying equation 1 by 2. So first of all we make the coefficient of a are equal. For this multiply equation 1 by 2, we get 30 equal to 2a plus 4d, equation 1 convert into equation 3. Now subtracting equation 3 from 2, equation 3 from 2, we get ad equal to minus 1, and now we put d in 1, we get a equal to 17, and after then we find a10 equal to a plus d. Putting the value of a and d, we get 17 minus 9 equal to 8, a10 equal to 8. Question number part 4, question number third. Now question part fifth is given that d equal to 5, Sn equal to 75. Now Sn equal to a plus n by 2 into a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value d, we get 75 equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 40. Now after solving putting the value of d, after solving we get 25 equal to 3 into a plus 20, and 20 after multiply 3 in to a plus 20, we get 3a equal to 25 minus 60, a equal to 35 by minus 35 by 3. Now an equal to a plus n minus into d. Put we find a9, a plus 8d. Putting the value of a and d, we get, after solving, we get a9 equal to 85 by 3. This is the question part 5th. Now part 6 is equal to a equal to 2, d equal to 8 and Sn equal to 90. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 90 equal to n by 2 into 4 plus n minus 1 into 8. And 90 equal to n into, after taking 2 common, we get n into 2 plus n minus 1 into 4 and 2 into 4n minus 4. After solving, we get 90 equal to n into 4n minus 2, 4n square minus 2n, and we get quadratic equation 4n square minus 2n minus 90. And after split 2n minus 2n and 4n square minus 20n plus 18n minus 90. After taking common from first two term 4n, we get n minus 5, and last two terms taking common 18 from last two term, we get 18, n minus 1, and remaining part n minus 5. Now n minus 5 taking common in both terms, we get n minus 5 into 4n plus 18 equal to 0. And after then either n minus 5 equal to 0 and 4n plus 18 equal to 0, we get n equal to 5 and n equal to minus 9 by 2. Reject and minus 9 by 2. Now n equal to 5. Now putting these value n in an. a5 equal to a plus 5 minus 1 into 8. After solving, we get a5 equal to 34. Now part 6, we get a equal to 8, an equal to 62, Sn equal to 210. Now put all these value in Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus an. Now Sn equal to 210 equal to n by 2 into 8 plus 62, 8 plus 62 70, and after solving n equal to 6 and put in an. A plus n minus 1 into d, 62 equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 into d, 62 minus 8 equal to 5d, and d equal to 54 by 5. Now 7th part, 8th part is an equal to 4, d equal to 2, Sn equal to minus 14. Now put in an, we have an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, 4 equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2. After solving, we get a equal to 6 minus 2n equal to equation 1. Now Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Put Sn equal to minus 14, n by 2 in plus a plus 4, we get minus 28 equal to n into n a plus 4. Now solving, after solving, we get a quadratic equation minus 28 equal to minus 2n square plus 10n, and we get again quadratic equation 2n square minus 10n plus minus 28. After taking 2 common, we get n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0, and after split minus 5 into 2 terms minus 7n plus 2, n square minus 7n plus 2 and minus 14 equal to 0. After taking n common from first two term, and we get n minus 7, and taking 2 common from last two term, we get n minus 7. N minus 7 common, taking common in both, we get n plus 2 equal to 0. Now either n minus 1 equal to 0 and n plus 2 equal to 0, we get n equal to 7 and n equal to minus 2. And minus 2 is rejected because n cannot be negative. Now n equal to 7, putting equation 1, a equal to n 6 minus 2n, and putting the value of n 6 minus 2 into 7, 6 minus 14, and a equal to minus 8. Now Part ninth, a equal to 3, n equal to 8, and s equal to 192. S means Sn. Put Sn equal to n by 2 into 2, a plus n minus 1 into d, putting all these value, and after then we get 192 equal to 4 into 6 plus 7d, 48 equal to 6 plus 7d, 42 equal to 7d. After dividing 42 by 7, d equal to 6. Part 10th is equal to, we have part 10th is, we have given L equal to 28 as n equal to 144 and total term equal to 9. L means last term equal to 28, and S means Sn equal to 144. Now we have formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus al. L means last term. Now 144 equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. After solving this, we got 16 multiplied 2 equal to a plus 28 and 32 equal to a plus 28. And after solving, a equal to 4. Thank you, student.